Leshack CPA is a leading accountancy group serving Northwest Indiana and Chicago. But they're more than just a CPA firm. The Leshack team is exceptionally qualified to offer financial consulting and targeted solutions to your business needs. Led by Joe Leshack and his sons, Brian and Jeff, the Leshack team is comprised of talented, degreed, and licensed accounting and consulting professionals, supported by an elite roster of management, community relations, and customer service professionals. The Leshack CPA name and logo makes use of the symbol for more than, and is the firm's ever-present promise that clients always get more than just CPA services when they choose Leshack. Clients of Leshack CPA benefit from the team's knowledge and dedication, as well as their diverse technical skills and specialty areas of practice. Leshack responds to the needs of clients by knowing their businesses inside and out. For business clients, Leshack offers full-service financial consulting, comprehensive business startup assistance, business valuation and due diligence, buy-sell agreements and lease-buy decisions, business succession and retirement planning, tax planning and preparation, tax representation and settlement, customized QuickBooks training, and year-round corporate services like monthly accounting, financial reporting, budget creation, and cash flow analysis. Additionally, Leshack CPA acts as a team of friends and trusted advisors who are licensed and certified to assist with your personal financial matters like tax planning and preparation, income tax representation, education funding, long-term care, estate planning, disability guidance, and retirement and transition planning. As a business owner, you deserve more personalized attention, more detailed analysis, more timely information, and more innovative solutions. To learn how you can get more out of your accounting services, visit www.leshack.com, connect on Facebook and LinkedIn, or visit their offices in Sherrillville and Valparaiso. Information is power. Having the right CPA is wealth. Leshack CPA, accountancy, and more.